subsequently, part 3. Now, find the latest time she would have to reach the bus stop outside his house, so that the probability of him being late for school is less than 5%. My goodness. Okay, this is where the things becomes interesting. Okay, so this is where you need to hear me out. You know this is 20 minutes, right? This is 20 minutes. The journey here is 20 minutes. Now, this is the problem. Because you reach the bus stop 7:20. The question now is, what time should you arrive at the bus stop so that you have this chance here of being late can go down to 5%, less than 5. So let's try and understand part 3. Now you know that your traveling time is essentially W plus J. I'm just going to use W plus J here, which means this is 90 minutes. Okay, so this is W plus J, normally distributed of 19 and 9. Okay, so where should you cut your 5%? The question now is, should you cut your 5% here, or should your 5% be cut here? And find this, where should you cut? Left or right? One is, if it's very counterintuitive, right, what you should do is you just solve for inverse norm for both sides. It's not hard because it's 5%, right? You want the 5% on both ends. So now you just think about it, right? You just basically need to just inverse norm. Inverse norm. 5% on the left and on the right. So this is 19. 19 and root 9, which is 3. Then left, there will be 14.06. Then you get right side. So in exam, if you're not sure, now this is a very important question because you're not sure whether to take left or right. But once you write it down left or right, right, you know that 23.934. 23. Okay, I'll give you. Okay. So now, how do you read this? This is how you do it. 5% of the journey will only take 14.06 minutes. 95% of the journey will take 23.39 minutes. Now I give you another time for redemption. Left or right? Okay. Let is A. Okay, can. Let A. Okay, I think, let me rewrite this down, sorry. This is what you write. Let A be the traveling time. Actually, you don't need to write it out. You can just draw it out. That is fine. 4 marks will be given. But if you insist on writing, this is what you write. Let A be the traveling time. So hence you want P, because you want PW plus J more than A, should be less than 0.05. Okay. Then what you get is actually this case here. This is your A. Then A should be, you can do a standardization. So inverse norm. Yeah, inverse norm. Not necessary, this one. I don't think it's necessary. It's very hard to write this out. This I don't think is necessary. So what you need to write is this one here. This one. Just inverse norm it the right side. Show that you know that it's right side. Can really.